In today's videos, we are going to talk about the world's most dangerous, most powerful, and most advanced attack helicopter, the AH-64E Apache Guardian, which is considered the backbone of the United States Army. This helicopter is not just a machine but a flying combat system. It destroys enemy tanks, fires missiles, finds the enemy in the dark, and is considered a symbol of fear on the battlefield. So let's bring the full story of the Apache Guardian. The history of the Apache helicopter begins in the 97 when the United States needed an attack helicopter that could perform in all weather, on all terrains, and in all situations. That's when the Apache program began. Over time, it underwent several upgrades. The most advanced and powerful version in the AH-64 Apache Guardian, formerly known as the Block. This version was introduced in 2011 and it's today the primary attack helicopter of the US Army. The AH-64E, powered by two modern T-700 GE 701D turboshift engine. Thanks to them, the helicopter can reach speed of up to 80 to 30 km per hour, can fly at altitude of up to 6,000 meters above 20 feet, can easily take off even with heavy weapons. It has range of the more than 480 km and its fuel tank are installed. It can fly for up to 1,000 km. The power of the engine gives the Apache extremely maneuverable, stable and fast speed, due to which it remains dangerously effective even at low altitude. The real strength of the Apache Guardian is in its digital technology. Longbow radar MTADS plus FCR. The famous top radar dome mounted on top of the helicopter, called the Longbow radar, gives the Apache the ability to track 128 targets simultaneously, can look 16 targets together and attack immediately, work in fog, night, rains, dust, any weather. That is why the Apache is most dangerous at night. Head Session FLIR. Its advanced FLIR system also computers the heat of enemy vehicles, tank and human far afar. Even in the dark, everything looks like it's today. The AH-64E is called the flying axial weapon, mounted on its 3 mm gain gun. The M23 gun is mounted on the bottom of the helicopter, can fire hundreds of rounds per minute. It can tear apart vehicles, building terrorism units and light tanks. AGM-114 Hellfire missile, the Apache most dangerous weapon, Hellfire anti-tank missile. It is also called an anti-tank missile. An Apache can carry a maximum of the 16 Hellfire missile. The Hellfire missile destroys a tank by piercing it from above. Hydra 70 rocks. These rockets are used against group targets such as enemy fires, barricades, small forts, vehicle in colony. Air-to-air missile Stinger. If an enemy helicopter or drone attack from the air, Apache also uses stinging missile against the Apache is not only strong attack, it is also strong is defense. Read warning, receive missile approach warning, failures, craft system, modern electronic warfare system. All these systems produce the Apache from enemy's missile, and if necessary, the helicopter changes course and moves the safe surface area. The Apache Guardian has been used in many battlefields around the world, such as Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, Gulf War, counter-terrorism operation. Everywhere it has power that Apache arrives, enemies disappear. It flies at low altitude. It attacks when staying close to the ground. It hits target without being seen, and the enemy is also afraid of its sound. A few reasons for this: 100% perform both today night, advanced radar, dangerous missile system, expensive speed and range, electronic warfare capabilities, ability to operate in all weather conditions of the world. This is why the AH-64E Apache Guardian is dispensable for the US Army. Friend, this video was the complete review of the AH-64E Apache Guardian, which is still considered number one among the most dangerous and powerful attack helicopter in the world.